Hey, I'm JT with WTI, and if you or your family is as busy as mine, you end up in a lot of different places throughout the day, and sometimes your important items get left behind. Let me tell you how this 4-pack of SEINXON trackers has helped. These trackers are on the Apple Find My network. I have an Android phone, so I wondered if I went to a public place with my keys and this tracker, if it would locate me. As soon as I got to a store, I called my wife and asked her to check her Find My app, and she immediately knew where I was at. So even though my phone's not Apple, I must have been close enough to another Apple device, which is pretty common these days. And these trackers popped up quickly. They're also IP68 water resistant, so it doesn't matter where they go, you'll be able to keep track of them. An additional feature I like is that the wallet tracker also provides RFID blocking to my contactless cards in my wallet. Though I won't have to charge it often since it lasts for months on end, charging these is simple with the 2 USB-C contact chargers. They just clip right on and the LED lights show when the charge is complete. Once you're close to the device, you can make it make a loud and distinct beep to help you find exactly where your item is. It's small enough to fit in most pockets, but not so small that it's easily lost. This is great for keeping track of our car keys, my wallet, and even one to give to the kids when they leave the house without us. So if you're trying to keep track of your car keys, your wallet or purse, your family members, or anything else you hold valuable, this 4-pack of SEINXON trackers are likely to be just what you've been searching for. But that's just my point of view.